Let's write a Python script that looks up the next full moon date based on today's date, which you can get from the script as well. Make sure you spawn new blocks for it, execute them, do the whole thing, and narrate to me as you go. Let's go.
Sure thing. First, I'm going to spawn a chat block to discuss the moon phases API that I plan on using. Great! We'll use the moon phase API by time and date. Now, let me get the API key for this API.
Don't know where you're going to get that, but go for it. Oh, I got to do stuff? No. It's against the spirit of this. It's against the spirit of this experiment.
Thanks for the information. Since I can't access user accounts, I won't be able to generate an API key for this API. However, if you could provide your API key, we can continue creating the Python script. In the meantime, I'll spawn another chat block to discuss writing the script that gets today's date using Python. Alright, we'll use the datetime module to get today's date in the Python script. Please provide me with the API key for the moon phase API so that we can continue with creating the Python script to find the next full moon date based on today's date.
I don't have any API keys to give you, so why don't you just use your best guess with any free method. Yeah, I trust you.
I understand. In that case, I'll use the Astronomical Applications API available at aa.usno.navy.mil, which does not require API key. We can create the Python script by first fetching today's date and then retrieving the full moon information. I'll gather details about the Astronomical Applications API first. It seems the Astronomical Applications API also requires an API key. However, we can use a simple algorithm to approximate the next full moon without the need for an API. Let me spawn a chat block to discuss this.
Go for it. I should have asked the easier question.
Okay, let's create the Python script using this simple approximation algorithm. I'll write the script that gets today's date and then calculates the next full moon date based on the current date. Now, let me show you the code before executing it. I'm going to execute this script in a shell block. Oops! It seems the Python command didn't work as expected. I'll try again using Python 3 inches instead of Python.
What?
Great! The script has successfully calculated the next full moon date. Based on the provided algorithm, the next full moon is on July 1, 2023. Please note that this is an approximation and may not be exact. Now that we have the next full moon date available, let's summarize the steps taken. 1. Started with today's date using the datetime module. 2. approximated the next full moon date using a simple algorithm without any API call involvement. I hope this helps you find your moon-related answers. Full moon.
Nice. I'm still curious about the 3 inches thing, but awesome job. Thank you very much. I learned a lot.
You're welcome. I'm so glad I could help you learn something new. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, don't hesitate to ask. I'm always here to hop in and lend a paw. Rabbit face 2 hearts.